Good day, everyone. Today we're going to explore ready for occupancy, 4-bedroom, 3 toilet and bath, sitting in a 150 square meters house lot and facing the morning sun. Plus, may island park sa harapan. So this property is ready for occupancy and move-in ready. So brand new. Dito po sa Grand Riverdale. Location natin, 22 minutes to Manila via Cavitex. Napakaganda nating location because this is a flood-free community. Napakalapit sa SNR and the Ayala Malls. Paglabas mo ay Cavite Laguna Expressway and going to Ninoy Aquino International Airport, 22 minutes driving away. Depende pa rin sa inyong pagdadrive kung gaano kayo kabilis magpadbo ng inyong sasakyan. Well, ang video na ito ay intended for our investors at yung gusto mag-acquire ng property dito sa Philippines as their retirement home or vacation house, secondary property, or their capital asset. So this is a move-in ready, selling in the market for 16 million pesos, including the transfer title expenses. If you are interested or anyone interested, message us today. Floor area, 164 square meters. Now, you have a 2 covered car garage. Look at that. Oh, di ba? Ang ganda ng bahay natin. This is a Nevada model house, modern. And then you have a sliding door doon sa side din, which in a while pupuntahan natin. At least kitang-kita nyo yung aking harapan and then yung aking likuran. Kung ano ba yung mukha ng likod. Di ba? Ang ganda ng bahay na sa likod, oh. Oh, nice. Very nice house, guys. And then ito pong nasa likod natin is Island Park. Ayan. Ayan po yung Island Park. O, hindi siya bahay, you know. Ayan. Okay. Shout out po sa ating client na nasa Malta. Ayan. Mr. Owen, ayan mo yung property mo, no? Gagawin natin yan. Nasa corner. Alright. Katabi mo itong bahay na ito. Well, kung gusto mo maging katabi si Sir from Malta, try to check out ito pong ready home natin dito po sa Antel, Grand Riverdale. Now, tingnan natin the parking space. Look at the parking, and over to my right side, you have a sliding glass door. And then you have a 2 meters setback dito sa likod, intended for future improvement, and a back door. Alright. Now, tingnan natin sa harapan. So, kung naghahanap kayo ng ready for occupancy, ito ay ready for occupancy and move-in ready. Bank financing nito, 15% down payment. Wow, look at that. Look at the facade, guys. I'm loving it. Okay. Okay, so ito yung pinaka main door. Unfortunately, sarado siya ngayon, guys. Pero this is move-in ready. So if you're interested, okay, so kaya kailangan natin mag-request ng key, no? Para makapasok tayo sa loob. Pero we have a house tour, the same model house, para dito sa ating Nevada model. So ang lote mo ay hanggang dito pa sa may waterline. Ayan. So, pwede kang maglagay dito ng fence, katulad ng ginagawa nitong, tulad dito. Ayan, may bakod sila, di ba? So, sariling design yan, lote lang binili nila dito sa Antel, Riverdale. So, we have 5 lots for sale dito sa Grand Riverdale. Pwede kayong magpagawa ng sariling design. Ayan, ang ganda ng bahay, oh. Okay, this is a brand new and ready for occupancy. So, if you are interested or anyone interested, by the way, shout out po sa lahat ng ating mga lot owners and home owners dito po sa Anyana and the Antel Grand Village. Dito po sa Antel Grand Village na fully paid na yung kanilang mga properties at gusto nyo na pong patayuan yung inyong pong bahay, well, we do house construction. Ipapasok natin siya sa bangko. Yung inyong pagpapagawa ng bahay, mag-down payment lang po kayo. Then the remaining balance is through bank financing. So, we will process. We have 3 revisions. But if you want a ready home, well, ito pong ating bahay ngayon. This is ready for occupancy. Yan, ang ganda ng bahay na ito. Alright, so thank you so much, guys, and I hope to see you in our next video. God bless everyone.